Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles. This is today's easy level puzzle. It's called Around the Block by Krusty Clown. Is it clown or clown? Krusty Clown. Clown, I think. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It looks like an A. So. Anyways, here are the rules. Normal Sudoku rules apply, which means place the digits 1 through 9 once each in each row, each column, each box. Odd even cages. Digits with an orange cage sum to an odd total. So this is an orange cage, this is an orange cage, this is an orange cage. Same here. Digits within a blue cage sum to an even total. So all the blue cages sum to an even total. If given, digits in a cage sum to the small number in the top left corner of the cage. Digits may repeat within a cage if allowed by other rules. So I think the only one with a digit with a number in the cage is 35. So we know this is 35. Everything else is either even or odd. We don't know which. Arrows. Digits along an arrow sum to the number in the attached circle. Digits may repeat on arrows if allowed by other rules. So, for example, if this was a 2 and a 4, this would have to be 6. XV. Digits separated by a V sum to 5. So these digits sum to 5, and these digits sum to 5. Digits separated by an X sum to 10. So anything that's, so if this was a 3, this would have to be a 7, because it has to add up to 10. Bucky. Digits separated by a white dot are consecutive. Not all white dots are necessarily given. So, for example, if this was a 5, this would have to be a 4 and a 6. And those are all the rules. If you like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, simple enough. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because 5 unique digits adding up to 35 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also on top of that, so we know the orange cages are odd. This has to be odd because it adds up to 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if you have an odd and an even, they would add up to an odd. So this one has to be even. Therefore, we don't know about this. This is same here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This also has to be even because even with an odd number. So these two add up to 10. And this is also odd. This adds up to 10. And this is odd. So therefore this has to be odd. This is odd. This is 10, and it adds up to an even number because it's blue. So this has to be even. Same here. This has to be even. But this one forms a 10 here, so this one has to be even also. Okay. This is consecutive, so one of them is even. We don't know which. Therefore, this has to be odd, right? Because this is an even cage here. So this has to be, and this is consecutive. And consecutive one of them is odd, one of them is even. So therefore, the total of this is odd. But you need to make an even total sum. So you have an odd and an odd. It's an even. This can't be 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, there's 1 odd, 2 odds, 3 odds, 4 odds, right? One of these 2 is odd, one of these 2 is even. So we have 4 of the odds. That means there's 2 odds. There's 1 odd and 2 evens. Doesn't really sound as much. This is also consecutive. So same thing. This is consecutive. So we have blue and red. This is also blue and red. This has to be red to counter the odd and even aspect here. So there's 2 odds and 2 evens. Okay. This is consecutive. That's interesting. This is not. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is even. So it cannot be 2. It could be 4, and it could be 6, and it could be 8. Same here, 4, 6, or 8. So it would be 1, 3, 1, 3. It could be 2, 4, or 1, 5. It could be 1, 7. It's not 1, 7, 2, 6, or 3, 5. Okay, so this is 10. This is 10. Okay, so it cannot be 4. If it were 4, this would have to be 1, 3, and 1, 3. But the problem is that you cannot be the case since this would be 10. So there's 2 that have to be 1 through 4. So this cannot be 4. So this is 2 or 4. Same here. This is 2 or 4. So this cannot be 1 or 3. Right? If it's 6, it's 1, 5. If it's 4, 2, 4. If it's 8, okay, so this can't. I guess this could be 2. Right? It could be 4, 2. So it could be 1, 4. Sorry, 1, 5, 2, 4, 4, 2. Or 1, 7, 2, 6, and 3, 5. So this is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can't be 2. Okay, yeah, because we had 3 previously that added up. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, because this is okay. So if this is odd, that has to be even. But this is even. Right? Because this is even. That has to be even and even. Make it even. So this has to be even. And if this is even and this is even, this has to be even too. So this is odd. Which means this is 2 or 4. So this has to be 2, 4, 6, 8. This can't be 2. This has to be even also. And because of that, then we know all of the 10s have to be odd. Because otherwise you can't, there's 3 evens already. And to add up to 10, 2 digits have to be both even or both odd. So then we have 4 odds here. We have 4 odds here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odds. So we know this is even. We know this is even. We know this is even. And we know this is even. Because we have 5 odds here. We have 5 odds here. So since this is even, this has to be either 2 evens, which it cannot be because those are both even. So these are both odd. This still could be 2 odds though, but this also has to be 2 odds. Oh, okay, we have 5 odds here. So this must be even, which means this must be even. Same here. This, we have 5 odds here. This must be even. This must be even. So we know this is 5. Because 5 cannot be with the 10s. This is also 5. So yeah, this is not 1 of 3. This can't be 2 or 4. This can't be 5 or 7. So this has to be 2, right? It's either 2, 4 or 2, 6, which adds up to 6 or 8. 2, 4, which adds up to 6. 2, 6, which adds up to 8. So this is 4, 8. This is also 4, 8. This cannot be. This is 1, 3, and 7. This is 3, 7, 9. This could be 1, 3, 7, 9. This is 1, 3, 7. 3, 7, 9. These are both odd. Since these are both odd, this cannot be odd. This is even. So this can't be even. This is odd. Same here. This can't be odd. This can't be even. This is consecutive. So it cannot be 1, 3 plus 1, 3. So it has to be 6 or 8. This is 2 or 4. So it could be 1, 5. It could be 3, 5, 1, 7. So this is 1 or 3, which means this cannot be 1 or 3. So this is 5, 7, and 9. Same here. This is 1, 5, and 7. This is 6 or 8. This is 2 or 4. This is 5, 7, 9. This is 5, 7. Because this is 1 or 3. This is even. Okay, so this is 2, so this cannot be 2. So this is 4, 6, or 8. This cannot be 2. This is 4, 6, or 8. This is 1, 3, 7, or 9. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. Any of them. Okay. So we know the 9 is here. We know the 9 is here. That doesn't help us very much, unfortunately. This is 2, 4, 6, 8 also. Okay, hold up. No, it still could be 7 or 9. If this is 6, okay, can this ever be 5? I don't think so, right? On top of that, okay, so this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this has to be 1 through 4. This has to be 1 through 4. This has to be 1 through 4. On top of that, I don't think it could be 5, 6, right? If this is 6 and that's 5, this has to be 1, 5. That's not possible, so because that's a 5. So this cannot be 5. This cannot be 5. We cannot have 7, 9. So it's 5, 6, 8. This becomes 7, 9, 7, 9. So this is 7, 9, 1, 3. 3, 7, 9. So this is consecutive. The only way this is consecutive is that's 4 and that's 5. So this has to be 2 and 8 then, because 6 would have to be with 4. This is 4 and 6, which makes that 4 and 2. This is 4 and 6, which makes this 1 and 5. So this is 3. This cannot be 5. This is 8. So this can't be 8. This is 8. No 8 here. This can't be 4. This can't be 4, so this is 8. Makes this 6. Makes that 2 and 4. And this is 1. So this has to be 2. So this is 2 and 8. So no 2, 4. No 2, 4. No 8. No 4. This is a 4. So this is 6. This is 2. This has to be 3 and 5. So this is 7, 1, 3, 7. This can't be 5, so this is 7 or 9. This is 7 or 9. No 2, 4, no 4, no 4. This is the only possible 4. This can't be 2. This can't be 3. So this is even, and this is even. And this is even. Okay. It has to have an 8, so 1 even, so therefore it has to have a 6. Actually, no, that's not true. It just has to add up, so this can't be 8, therefore this is 8. This has to be 6. So this is even. This is even. So we have what? 3, 6, and 7 here? 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. This is 3, 6, 7. There's 3. We have 3, 7, 8, 9. So right here, 3, 7, 9. 7, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. This is 1, 3, or 5. 5. Therefore, this is 5. So this is odd. This is 1, 6, 7, 9. So 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 1. This can't be 1. So 1 is over here. Can't be 3. Here, this is 1, 3, and 5. So this is 5. This is odd then too. If they can repeat, this can't be 1 or 3, and 3, and 3, 7, 9. This is 3, 8. This is 4, 6. So this is 6. This is 4. This cannot be 6. This cannot be 6. This is odd. So this is 1 or 9. This is 1 or 9. This is 1 or 9. So this is odd also. Okay. This is odd. This is odd. Yeah, these two is even. This is odd. This is even. This is odd. This is even. These are all odd. So this has to be 6. Which means this is odd too. We have 3 odds and an even number. So this has to also be odd. This could be many things. So this is 1, 7, 9. This could be 3. Oh, it can't be 3. We have 5 odds, so these are even. So these are all even. These are even. This is odd. This is odd. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odds. So this has to be even. So this is 8. This is 3. This is 7. This is 3. This is 1. This is 6. So this is odd. This has to be 9. This is 7. So this is 9. This has to be even. So both of these are even. So this is 2 or 4. So it's 2. This is 4. With that 2. This can't be 2. This has to be 9. This is 1. This is even, so it cannot be 2, 4, 6. That's 8. This is 2, 7, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 1, 3, or 5. This is 3, 5, 3. This has to be 5. It cannot be 8. This is 8. So this is 3, 7, 3, 7. So this is 3. This is 7. 1. 3, this is 1, this is 3, this is 1, this is 3. This has to be consecutive, so this is 7, this is 9, this is 9, this is 7, this is 7, this is 9. And we have 1 and 5. And that's the solution. Fairly straightforward. Just making sure that you have everything counted. And this is very simple of like basically making sure you don't have more than 5 odds per row or column or box. Same, you can't have more than 4 evens in every row, column, or box. And that's the solution. I hope you had a good time. And I'll see you next time. Take care.